Hi guys, Dr. Mary and Alie Frankel again, and today I want to show you how we use the Keto Mojo. One of the things that we include in the 8-week fasting and keto program is how to use this device, which is going to allow you to start regulating and finding out what your blood sugars are, and what your ketones are. And that way you can adjust what you're eating and how much volume of certain foods and see how they're affecting you. And that way you can really make it personalized medicine.
So let's just show you the materials.
So we have a pricker, I don't know what that's called.
A monitor. We have 2 strips here, a ketone strip and a glucose strip.
We have now, I've opened up the sticker. I'm not going to call it a pricker. And we're going to put the needle on.
We have alcohol to clean the site.
Yes, Allie's cleaning her finger now. So you guys wipe off your fingers.
Okay.
We're loading this to get ready. We're going to cock it back and we're going to, on the side of her finger, she's now, did it go?
No.
Oh, I have to be, she has nice young skin. So we have to, oh, we got some blood. And you don't really need a lot of blood. Then you're going to take the meter. You're going to load the ketone strip into the meter. Let it register. We've already balanced it. Actually, it comes with like a neutral, like a control. And now Allie's finger, can you see the blood? I want to show your blood. There it is. But she's at 0.7. Way to go, Alie Frankel.
All right.
And now we're going to do her sugar.
All right. This is
same thing.
So it is 2 p.m. We had some sushi last night with some rice.
So you haven't eaten today?
No.
Okay, let's squeeze that finger again. We might have a little more. We might have to, we're going to just go and be aggressive with Miss Frankel, and we're going to stick her again.
Ow!
Here you go. Do I have enough?
Yeah.
Come on,
That's a lot. There you go. That's a lot.
Okay, great. So here we are. We're going to let it get soaked up. Okay.
A lot of times people ask us, does this break my fast? Does this break my
89.
fast?
That's great. We want the blood sugars definitely under 90. 85 and lower, the better. But you're not going to get there right away, especially those of us who have higher blood sugars in the past. This is a journey. This is a process. But as you move away from the sugars and the carbohydrates, we want the blood sugar to go low and want the ketones to go anywhere between 0.5 to 5. So this is how to use the Keto Mojo, just a brief video to say this is another thing that sets us apart. We're not just teaching you and you're not just going off and changing the food, but you're figuring out exactly how it impacts you. And that's what makes it personalized. Don't forget to sign up for our program. It's tonight and it's recorded.
This whole contraption is included in the program. So, a lot of people ask us, does this break my fast? Does that break my fast? The best way to know is to test, because every person's different. So if you want to know if something breaks your fast, you'll test right before you consume it, 30 minutes after, and then about an hour after?
Mm-hmm.
And that'll be the sure tell way to know if your coffee or whatever else is breaking your fast.
Yeah, and you'll learn that in the class. Some of us can't have the caffeine. It's overstimulating and it raises our blood sugar and stresses us. Some of us can't have the amounts of fat. That just sets us off. So this is why it's really like an N=1. That's what we always like to say. It's your own personal experiment with yourself, and you figure out exactly what's best for you. All right. Good luck, guys. We look forward to taking care of you, and we'll see you tonight.